Avocado seeds, a hidden superfood for health. Avocado seeds are rich in bioactive compounds that offer numerous health benefits. They contain polyphenols and fiber, which play a crucial role in boosting the immune system and supporting digestive health. Additionally, avocado seeds have the potential to act as natural antioxidants, helping to protect the body from oxidative stress. Health benefits of avocado seeds. Nutritional content of avocado seeds. Avocado seeds are packed with essential nutrients such as flavonoids, polyphenols, and dietary fiber. These compounds exhibit strong antioxidant properties, which help fight free radicals and promote overall well-being. According to a study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology, avocado seeds contain higher antioxidant levels than the fruit itself, making them beneficial for cell protection against oxidative stress and premature aging. Avocado seeds for heart health. The fiber content in avocado seeds can help reduce bad cholesterol, LDL, while increasing good cholesterol, HDL, contributing to better cardiovascular health. Fiber also aids in lowering the risk of high blood pressure. Research published in the Journal of Functional Foods indicates that avocado seed extract enhances blood circulation and maintains blood vessel elasticity, which supports optimal heart health. Supports digestive health. Avocado seeds are a great source of soluble fiber, which is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system. This fiber aids in smooth digestion and prevents constipation. A study from the International Journal of Food Science found that fiber from avocado seeds promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, improving both digestive health and immune function. Antibacterial and antifungal properties. Flavonoids and polyphenols in avocado seeds possess strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, helping to combat harmful pathogens such as Escherichia coli and Staphylococcus aureus. Research in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that avocado seed extract effectively inhibits microbial growth, making it a natural way to boost the body's defense system against infections. How to consume avocado seeds safely. While avocado seeds offer various health benefits, they should be consumed in moderation and prepared properly. The seeds can be dried, roasted, and ground into a powder to be added to smoothies, teas, or herbal drinks. A report in the Food and Chemical Toxicology Journal states that moderate consumption of avocado seeds is generally safe. However, excessive intake should be avoided, as some active compounds may cause adverse effects if consumed in large amounts. Conclusion. When consumed correctly, avocado seeds can be an excellent natural supplement with antioxidant, heart protective, and digestive health benefits. Would you be interested in trying healthy recipes using avocado seed powder?